Where are you going?
Service to support customer.
Pasir Ris? It's like 1 hour drive there, you know. You know you can use like TwinCAT Cloud Engineering to support a customer, right? Support them remotely. Welcome to a new episode of your Automation Lab. I'm Andy.
Grace.
Now, in previous episodes, we've introduced topics such as version control and multi-user programming, the Internet of Things, and the wider concept of Industry 4.0.
Today we'll be discussing the next step towards I 4.0 implementation.
Cloud computing.
As we've shared in earlier episodes, a main feature of Industry 4.0 is the ability to track manufacturing processes, analyze data, and enable predictive maintenance no matter your location, be it within the factory or in the other side of the world. The underlying concept on which this is based in cloud computing, where a combination of powerful computer hardware and software is provided to an end user. This computing hardware is mostly found off-site in massive data centers where storage and computing systems are housed and need not be close to an end user's facility. Of course, you'll probably be well aware of cloud services by this point, from saving your data on storage providers such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Mega, to cloud gaming services such as Google Stadia, PlayStation Now, and Microsoft xCloud. However, enterprise cloud services are also a popular option among business nowadays, with the availability of necessary computing power, storage, and the security without having to spend on and maintain in-house IT infrastructure. Corporations that are growing rapidly and towards a worldwide reach will now appreciate the scalability of computing power and global access that cloud computing provides.
Now, what does this have to do with PLC programming? Well, with the uptake of IoT devices already hitting 7 billion in 2018 and an expected increase to 22 billion by 2025, the cloud can enable interconnectivity and communication between all these devices to bring about Industry 4.0 implementation to your system. This is where TwinCAT Cloud Engineering comes in. Now here, with our IoT Product Manager, Sven Goldstein, who will introduce this feature.
We have been showing for several years that you can indeed use TwinCAT in a virtual machine in the cloud. The challenge for the customer was that the customer had to sign a contract with a cloud service provider and set up everything manually. This is now changing. With TwinCAT Cloud Engineering, we are offering pre-provisioned virtual machines for the customer, and the customer can use and connect to the virtual machines via a web-based dashboard. The customer can choose from two different user models. The test user gets free access to the cloud engineering instance, and when he decides to further use the cloud engineering instance, he can use an abo-based, a subscription-based model. He can also use source control mechanisms in order to exchange code or TwinCAT projects with an on-premise customer.
Well, as Sven mentioned, Beckhoff's subscription model leads to a more cost-effective use of TwinCAT Cloud Engineering compared to other more conventional models. Also shown was the ability to access the Visual Studio IDE in an iOS device via the web browser. This enables access to software development regardless of operating system or indeed location. It doesn't matter whether at Singapore, San Francisco, or Seoul, as long as you have an internet connection. Sven also showcased a trial version of Cloud Engineering, where you can try it out as a beginner with tutorials to help guide you along the way. If you're ready, you can upgrade to the professional version with all features included. TwinCAT Analytics provides data analysis and can be accessed in both the XAE environment and as an analysis dashboard via TwinCAT HMI for user-friendly viewing. Of course, when dealing with remote services, there's always the risk of security breaches on the other side. To this end, TwinCAT Cloud Engineering has implemented the requisite measures such as authentication via certificates, encrypted connections and project data, as well as protection from loss or damage even in the event of a data center failure. Well, we hope you've enjoyed today's comprehensive introduction to Beckhoff's new cloud engineering service, and that you've also picked up a thing or two about how this can bring your industrial processes to the next level.
If you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can email us at sales@beckhoff.com.sg.
Until next time,
Wear your mask.
and stay safe.